Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change Samsung keyboard to Google keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now first of all, make sure you download Google keyboard on your smartphone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here, just search Google keyboard. Now from here, just install Google keyboard. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now from here, once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on Enable in Settings. Now from here, just enable Gboard. Tap on OK. Now from here, just go back. Now from here, just swipe to the left and tap on Select Input Method. Now from here, just select Gboard. Now as you can see, this is how you can change Samsung keyboard to Google keyboard. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.